Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. Under the hood we have a 2.0 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in black, looks great. You do have the Hyundai badging with your chrome accenting out front there. You do have your projector style headlights, very bright. And coming around the side here we do have our 15-inch rims with our hand-cooked tires. They look great, lots of tread left on those guys. You also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your Hyundai and Elantra there. Now to open it up, on the keys here, we just gotta press the button. Perfect. Looks great back here. Very nice, lots of room, very soft. You do have your spare tire just underneath there as well, in case you did ever need it, and you can fold those seats forward with those guys just right there. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have our button down there to open up the back, as well as the panic button on the back. Now, let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here, as well as you got a bit of storage down here. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats. The cloth is very nice. You have your adjusters right there. You also have your in-cabin light control here with your traction control, and then your control over your lights. So your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all right in there, as well as your turning signals and your high beams are there as well. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our range and our average liters per 100 kilometers. That looks great. You can also switch that around to your trip A and B, as well as your speed, and then back there. Now that is controlled from right here with your trip and your reset. Then you also have your Bluetooth options with your volume up and down and your skip, as well as your mode, horn in the center. And then in the center here you do have your radio. Looks great. You have your CD player up here with your display and your eject radio. You have your media, you have AM and FM, as well as your phone options, scan, setup, clock, and then your menu there. We also have our track and seek, as well as our folder, presets down here, volume up and down, and your selector over here. Down here we do have our AC and our circulation, where it's going to blow out of the power and the heat, as well as our front rear defrost. We do have an aux cord and USB plug-in, and then we do have our seat warmers right here and our gear shift, as well as our drive mode right there. You do have your cup holders here and your emergency brake. You can also open this guy up, get some storage just in there, and then you also have your glove box right there with your owner's manual inside of it. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle here, you have the control of your windows handle and some storage down there. Looks great back here, very comfortable, does seat 5 people all together, and when you do fold those seats forward you got lots of room. And there's our 2.0 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around view of the 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.